Looking to maximize your cooking space without overcrowding your apartment? The best kitchen island for apartment living combines style and functionality, offering extra storage, prep space, and a sleek design that fits perfectly in smaller kitchens. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ONBRILL Kitchen Island Table. The ONBRILL Kitchen Island Table is a highly functional and thoughtfully designed piece of furniture that enhances both cooking and entertaining experiences. With a generous 51.2-inch countertop, it provides plenty of space for meal preparation, whether you are chopping vegetables, kneading dough, or plating dishes. Its standout feature is the abundant storage, which includes 2 large cabinets and 2 drawers, offering a practical solution for keeping utensils, cookware, cutlery, and small kitchen appliances neatly organized. Additionally, the inclusion of towel and spice racks on either side ensures that frequently used items remain within easy reach, making cooking tasks smoother and more efficient. Another impressive element is the foldable drop-leaf countertop, which adds flexibility to your workspace. Supported by sturdy metal brackets, this extension increases the working surface to 27.55 inches, creating ample room for hosting and serving. When not in use, the drop-leaf folds down seamlessly to save space. The ONBRILL also caters to modern needs by including a multi-purpose power outlet with 2 USB ports and 2 3-pin sockets, allowing convenient use of appliances and quick device charging. Mobility is another advantage, as it sits on 5 heavy-duty universal wheels, including a central stabilizer wheel, ensuring stability during use and ease of movement when repositioning. Whether you want it near the stove for cooking or close to the dining area for serving, its mobility makes it versatile. Number 2. HOSTACK Kitchen Island Table. The HOSTACK Kitchen Island Table brings a perfect blend of practicality and style, making it a great addition to any kitchen, dining, or living space. Designed with all-in-one storage solutions, it features 2 drawers of different sizes, perfect for cutlery, utensils, or small essentials, while the 3-door cabinet accommodates larger cookware, food items, and serving dishes. A clever side storage rack further enhances usability by providing easy access to bottles, jars, or condiments, ensuring that your kitchen remains organized and clutter-free. For mobility, this kitchen cart is built on 5 smooth swivel casters, including a stabilizing central caster at the bottom, which prevents wobbling and makes it easy to move between different rooms. Whether you need an extra prep station in the kitchen or a mobile buffet in the dining area, it adapts seamlessly. The thoughtful, user-friendly design includes adjustable shelves in the side cabinet, allowing customization for various items, while the swing-out door storage rack makes it convenient to store spices or beverages. Durability is another strength of this island, as it is constructed from high-quality MDF and built with a stable frame that can withstand long-term use. The multifunctional design means it serves multiple purposes, working well as an additional kitchen counter, a serving station in the dining area, or even a mobile coffee bar in the living room. Number 3. Shintenchi Kitchen Island Table. The Shintenchi Kitchen Island Table is an elegant and space-saving solution that adapts beautifully to various kitchen and dining needs. One of its standout features is the foldable drop-leaf design, which instantly transforms the cart into a dining bar when expanded. This makes it a versatile option for compact kitchens or apartments where space optimization is crucial. When folded down, it occupies minimal space, yet when extended, it provides enough room for meal prep or casual dining. Storage is another highlight, with its roomy cabinet and 3 drawers providing ample capacity to organize kitchenware, cutlery, and small appliances. The double-door cabinet keeps clutter hidden, ensuring the kitchen remains tidy and stylish. Adding to its flexibility, the cabinet is fitted with a 3-tier adjustable shelf, which can be customized to store different-sized items, making it a tailored storage solution for any household. The construction of this island emphasizes durability and practicality, featuring a sturdy wooden top that is water-resistant and easy to clean. The smooth surface repels moisture, making it ideal for daily cooking tasks without the worry of staining or long-term damage. Beyond its functional benefits, the island enhances kitchen workflow by providing a robust additional workspace, whether for prepping meals, serving drinks, or even functioning as a temporary dining area. Its flexible mobility also makes it a useful addition for entertaining, as it can be moved to different areas of the home when needed. Number 4. Aesthetics Kitchen Island Table. The Aesthetics Kitchen Island Table is a compact yet highly practical unit designed to add convenience and organization to modern kitchens. Made from kiln-dried and varnished bamboo, it offers not only strength but also a natural, elegant appearance that complements a wide range of interior styles. Despite its smaller size, this island incorporates smart storage features such as drawers for utensils and cooking tools, along with additional shelf space for larger accessories, cookware, or pantry items. A handy side rack further enhances its functionality, providing a convenient spot for towels, aprons, or small essentials you need within arm's reach while cooking. Its multifunctional design makes it perfect for various tasks, whether you're preparing food, serving meals, or simply using it as an extra storage station. The cart is equipped with 4 heavy-duty swivel casters, 2 of which are lockable, ensuring both easy mobility and stability when stationary. This makes it effortless to move the island around the kitchen or dining area depending on your needs. With compact dimensions of 29 inches long, 21.5 inches wide, and 35 inches tall, and weighing only 44 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, yet sturdy enough to support up to 110 pounds of weight. Its bamboo construction ensures long-lasting durability while maintaining a sustainable, eco-friendly appeal. Number 5. Jocoevol Kitchen Island Table. The Jocoevol Kitchen Island Table stands out for its versatility, robust construction, and thoughtful integration of modern conveniences. A highlight of this island is the inclusion of 4 power outlets with a 2-meter power cord, making it incredibly practical for powering appliances such as coffee makers, toasters, or microwaves right on the countertop. This feature also adds convenience when hosting gatherings, as guests can easily charge their devices while enjoying food and drinks. Its multifunctional design adapts to a variety of uses, working as a casual breakfast bar, a coffee station, or even a family dinner table for up to 4 people. For those with creative preferences, the island also doubles as a microwave stand, baker's rack, or oven shelf by simply adjusting or removing the top metal shelf. This adaptability makes it a true all-in-one unit for both kitchens and dining areas. The spacious top is another major advantage, crafted with a thick 30mm wood surface paired with a sturdy metal frame, giving it impressive durability with a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. The natural wood grain finish blends beautifully with the black metal frame, offering a modern rustic look that suits most home decor styles. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.